This is Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville, better known as Precious. And today I'm just playing around with my little home decor. Went out and purchased some. So I want to bring you guys in this with me. I want you to take a look at this and let me know what you think. Want your opinion. Your opinion counts. It matters to me. Let me know if this is too much in this little area here. And I'm going to call this arrangement 3. So just take a look at it. Let me know if you like it, if it's too much, if it's too little, if it's just not what you into, you don't like it. Let me know your name and where you are watching this from. Okay. Okay guys, the link to arrangement 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be in the description box below. Go and check all of those out and let me know what you think. Okay, what location are you located? Okay, so thanks again. I'm just playing around. I just feel like playing this morning. This is just what I do. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.